Aking mahal na mag-ama. Sunday today, guys. Dito kami sa labas ng bahay ng kaibigan ng mahal kong asawa. What's that? Pine cone?
Pine cone.
Yeah.
Pine cone.
Yeah, nice.
See all the gum coming from it?
Let me see.
Cars come to the shop sometime. With all this gum on there.
Let's see.
Kind of drip. You go this way, it stick you. Look, rub it on like this.
Good for Christmas tree, huh? I'm
Hey,
hungry.
you know where I was this morning, man? Right there. By the light pole, right in the light rig.
Yun, oh. Nice yung Christmas tree. Ang daming bunga. Ang daming pine cone. Doon ang aking bahay niya. Yeah. What is this?
Pine cone.
I know, it's pine cone, but are we going to take this home? Dalhin yata namin to sa bahay. Agaganaka. Put it here. Yung balon ng aking mahal na anak, guys. Kasi masagasaan yung balon niya. Dito na, no. So, bibiyaan ako sa ako ang mag-ama. Tuan naman sila dito. Huwag man nangagal. Agay gina ako, guys. Nandito kami, guys. Kukuha kami ng callaloo vegetables. So, Sunday morning, nandito kami. Wala pa kaming breakfast. It's almost 11 o'clock na. Nandito kami early kasulak. Tulog pa yung may-ari. Oh, gibiyaan naman. At least pagdating namin kini sa bahay, guys. Nagluto ako ay. Kaso lang pinabalik kami dito. Where's the key? Ay, yanin na talaga. Yanin na talaga ako, guys. Okay, I think I got it. Yanin ako, guys. Okay. Punta daw. Kuhaan ko ng video yung kanyang callaloo. Ang ganda naman dito. Yan o. Bahay nila. Ay, may... Yan. Pananim sila dito. Ang kamatis sila. Ang laki ng kamatis, oh. May hinog na, oh. Para ako may-ari. Para ako may-ari. Oh, nice, oh. Huh? Good morning. Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
Great. Ma! May ako sila. Okay. What is it?
Come here.
Come here. Is that your farm? Him? His farm? His farm? Did you see? Yeah. Huh? Him? Did you see their owl? And they have ducks too right there. As they have swan. They have some. Did you see their swan too? Look over there. Nice.
Mom,
Hmm.
where's the owl?
Right there. That's light owl. That light. Don't be scared. Just touch it. That's not gonna bite. It's not gonna bite you.
Oh, it's here.
Don't be scared.
No.
Mosquito? No, that's not. That's flies. Nice. Oh, see, I'm touching.
Alright.
Yeah. Huh? Yeah.
You know what it looks like?
Oh, I know. Remember when I was in my auntie's house? Yeah, and every Saturday. Oh, that's fun. Oh.
Come out good. Okay. I know apples sometimes they
This
play
tree,
good
I
worm.
fall off.
Come on. Wow. So, meron silang ano,
Owl.
nagpa-plant
It's
sila.
an owl.
Hmm?
An owl.
Uy, naputol lagi itong ulo to. What's wrong with your hand? Why it's too sticky?
It's bagam.
Agay, careful, my love.
Bagam.
Oh, no, from the pine cone, look, they have swan. But it's fake swan, guys. Go touch it. Don't be scared. It's fake. Look, they have nice flowers here too. Look, look, they have nice flowers too. Look. Uy, a lot of bee. A lot of bee. Come on.
Are you?
Yeah.
I took a beach.
Yeah, they have a lot of tomato too.
Look. What's up?
Yeah, I told you. They have ducks, they have swan, duck. What's wrong with you?
Stinky. Maybe stinky.
No. Look, they have sweet tomato here.
I'm stinky too.
They have tomato.
Stinky. This is stinky.
Don't say that. They have tomato. Look, they have ripe tomato here. Look, they have a lot of tomato right here, guys. Big tomato, and they have ripe tomato. I see right there. Oh, ripe tomato right there.
What?
Ripe tomato. Look, right. Look right here. Look, right there. See? And here also they have ripe tomato right here. This side. And guys, puno ng pear.
Oh,
Ay.
man. I'm pears.
Here, anak, oh. Ah.
How many pears?
Ala, ang daming bunga, guys.
Pears, Mom.
Pear.
Yeah, pear.
Oh, ang daming bunga.
Mommy.
Oh,
Mommy.
daming bunga. Kaso lang walang kumakain. Nalalata-lata. Ha, what is it, baby? Yeah. Frog. Frog, guys. Ang cute ng social ng frog nila. But fake, that's fake. They have scallion. Yeah. Scallion, anak.
Lion.
Yeah. Flowers here. That's puno ng pear din yan.
Mom.
Yes, baby, what is it?
Yeah. Papa.
Ang daming bunga ng kanilang pear, guys. Ha?
Fun.
You're having fun?
No, have fun.
You have what?
Fun.
You have what?
Thank you. I'm going to thank you.
What?
Have fun.
Yeah.
Fun.
Mm.
Fun.
Hmm? Yeah. Come on this way. Wait, this lang. Huh? No, we're not going there. Yeah. This way, my love. Don't be scared like you just touch. You can hug if you like that, okay? Go ahead. She's scared of the owl. Huh? Oh, you know what? They have big tomato there.
Right.
Yeah. Oh, tomato. Ito potato. Potato, guys. Di naman to nila kinakain. Oh. Hindi nila kinakain yan. Ano na yan? Garbage na yan sa kanila. Meron din silang squash. Agay, isa naman to. Oh my God, the squash. Oh, look. Ay, ang ganda ng squash nila, guys. Ay, ang cute. Dami silang squash. Dito pa, oh. Yan pa. Ay, marami pa dito. This one. Agoy. Oh, dalawa nagkatabi, oh. Katabi yung squash nila. Ang dami lang potato. Pinagbubungkal lang. Ito yang payang. My okra. Agoy. Mm. Stay there, anak. They have squash too. Did you say there's squash? They have a lot of callaloo, huh?
Yeah, but it's part of this year, he said.
Huh?
It's part of this year. No.
Where's the turtle now?
Turtle.
No, that's not their backyard. Thank you very much.
Huh?
I guess only two you don't get. Unless it's gonna get in
Look
there.
at Look at that.
Mm.
Fine.
It's not
Huh?
Look fine. No, right there. Hey, look fine.
Yeah, barn. Yeah, barn. Yeah.
Yeah. Gone.
And look at their back. Where's the lion? Huh? Huh?
I'm a champion.
Where you're trampoline?
Champion.
Champion? Where's the champion?
See.
Hmm?
I'm a lion. I'm a champion.
Ah, so I am the eye of the tiger,
Fire.
dancing through the fire, and I am the,
Champion.
and you're gonna hear me. Ra, ra, Oh, again. Ra,
Spring.
Wait, what are you doing? Go ahead.
So you're going to set them out and dry them?
Go ahead. Don't be scared. You need to learn.
Oh, okay. That's good. Two things, man. At least you can get a good meal and then everything. Peace of mind, you know what I mean? Alright, I'm gonna run.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
And they work, I'm gonna let you know about it, man.
Yeah. Alright. Well, I'm always here anyway.
Yeah.
Nice, we have good breakfast. Yes, we have good breakfast, guys. Vegetables.
Gotta stick around it. You know the sad part about it, man? When it's like this stuff, it's like just chill them, man.
Okay, just you like
Oh, I
tomato.
can eat up top of it.
You like tomatoes? Yeah. I mean, there's different from the one.
Oh, yeah.
Different.
Big difference.
Yeah, I'm so different.
Two.
Big tomato.
And they work in your things, you know,
Yeah, in the middle.
in the middle.
The middle side. They're big.
No, these not that big.
I'm like picking.
What?
They want to pick this one.
The teacher. Oh, that's two ripe, huh?
You want to pick that one right here?
Pick it.
Go ahead and pick it. You gotta take it and turn
Wow.
it. Turn it. Wait, don't see.
That's big.
Oh, the stem.
Yeah. Let's turn it.
Oh.
Oh, not off the bottom messed up.
Yeah, wedge up underneath there, that's why.
Yeah,
Wow.
the bottom messed
Oh, that's
up.
for us too? Wow, is this for us?
Yeah.
Wow, thank you very
We're
much.
making sandwiches.
Blessing.
It is different
Yeah,
from the one you
big
bought
difference.
before. I look like they was here last night. No, they was here before, but they look like they come back.
So when
last
they
night.
pick it like this, you just actually just die.
Right there. Thank you very much. Oh, that's for us?
Yeah, you can
Oh,
have a
thank
real
you.
We have a real garden, we have everything, man. Bird
Yeah.
nests, everything.
Everything.
It's a bird nest.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, nice,
Come pick up
guys.
here, come pick up here.
Okay.
Like nobody eating your pear here. Oh, they have bird's nest too?
Pick, turn it.
Bird's nest right there. Let her pick up the ripe one, Marikiko. They're all green, but it looks like this one is ripe here.
The right one right here. The right one right here.
Oh, right there, it's ripe.
Don't worry about the water. Pick it.
It looks like I should pick them off now.
Huh?
It looks
Right
like I
there.
should pick
That's
them
ripe
off.
right there.
Oh. And they were sweet.
Oh.
Have some bad spots.
Mm.
Oh, I should pick them out already. This one?
Dropping like bombs, man.
I should pick them off already.
Oh, I thought that one was
Oh.
oh, he said limb. That's limb brick, that's why.
They should pick that already.
I said it's limb brick, that's what I'm on. Is that?
I
Oh yeah, maybe. Or maybe they didn't pull it or something.
Beer too much.
Oh, yeah, correct. Yeah, that's good.
happy anak.
Happy.
Where's this Marikiko? Oh. Yeah, right there. Oh.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about.
The birds are lucky to have pear here.
Yeah, a lot.
Where's business?
Bird's nest right there, na.
Business.
Right there. Bird's nest.
Business.
Yeah. Mama is short. I can't reach. I can't carry you also.
That's fun though.
Thank you very much. Bahay niya. Yan ang bahay niya. Say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
She can't wait. She's curious. Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Huh?
Where's the key?
I got it. Baby, what is it? Okay. Give me a second. I forgot the key. Yeah.
We usually have a store like cover one time, not real big, but
Yeah, that's why your fingers so. That's why I'm wondering why.
Wrap it, baby.
I'm wondering her hand is too sticky because like.
Pine cone.
Yeah. Stop. Just hold here. Not hold here. Wipe your hand. Wipe your hand. I'm wondering why it's so sticky. Just hold here.
I know these areas very well.
Put it there.
There's some of their friends used to live around here, so I drop them off at their friends'
Just like that.
birthday party and this and that.
Okay guys, yun lang ang aming video for today. Maraming salamat po sa walang sawang pagsuporta ng aming channel. Mag-ingat po kayo, mag-ingat po tayo palagi. I love you all, bye-bye. Ha?
So there's a park down there they used to go play baseball.
Park.